Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Rachana Kaur, also known as the THEGAUDIYATRAVELLER. Welcome to my channel. Those who are new, who don't know me, this is me, Rachana Kaur, who is a classical dance performer. I perform Gauri Nritya, that is the classical dance form of Bengal. Those who are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let me introduce myself. I'm a member of CID UNESCO, that is the International Dance Council. The main branch is in Paris, France. I have been performing nationals all over India. So my first video will be on Moscow, Russia. I'll be giving you information on the visa requirements, what you need to do when you travel, and also the basic requirements you need to take, precautions and all, everything during this quarantine travel and all. New protocols have come up during this travel, so I'll be discussing about every details. India has a pact, that is air bubble, with Russia. Also many other different countries, India has made pact air bubble, which is very convenient for the travelers. So as an artist, I went with the humanitarian visa. I had to apply for the humanitarian visa, not the tourist visa. So I'll be talking about humanitarian visa, what you need, what documents are required for getting the humanitarian visa when you are traveling as an artist or an business personnel, or they have categories. Okay, first thing you need to do is get an invitation letter from the country where you are going, from the organization where you have been invited from. So you have to get an invitation letter. That is the first and most important thing. Second thing is that you need to go to the VFS portal or consulate portal. There are two options. You can go to that portal. I'll give the links in the description box. You have to open the link and fill up the form for the Russia, Indian to Russia. So after you post all the documents with your passport and 2 photographs, filling up the application form and your invitation letter, you just need to post that documents. They will email you the confirmation that they have received. After that, I think they will take 3 to 4 days, depends on how fast you need the visa. They will confirm you if it's done, your visa is done. Then they will also email you about they have posted back to your home address with your passport and the visa. So next thing you need to keep in mind, whichever country you are going, you need to keep in mind is that the currency. If you are going to Russia, you need to change your currency into rubles. If you need to carry some cash, also with the bank cards. Keep in mind, you should carry both the things, cash and bank cards both. With the flight tickets, keep in mind there are only 2 flights that are going in a week. That's one Aeroflot and one Air India. And about the hotel booking, hotels are not that much costly right now. They are cheap. It's a very reasonable price. You can book any hotel wherever you want to stay. The most important thing is the RT-PCR test. You need to do your RT-PCR test within 72 hours. Keep in mind the counting of the 72 hours is made from the day you give your sample. So within the 72 hours, go to an doctor or the hospital where the RT-PCR test is being done and give your sample and do the test within the 72 hours and get the results and fly to the country. Also, when you reach Moscow, there will be a protocol after the immigration. They will take your sample again and they will test and they will take your mobile numbers, so where they could send you the results, because they will also keep a record that you are positive or negative or whatever it is. So that's it. The most important thing is RT-PCR test, which you need to keep in mind, 72 hours, the most important thing. Okay, so fly and enjoy your life, enjoy traveling. Happy traveling.